How to verify SEO on Google. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can verify the SEO on Google. Now sometimes Google will ask you that verify that it's you. Sometimes it'll send a confirmation code to your phone. Sometimes it'll send you a number on your phone, on your default phone, that you will have to enter it on your new device. So sometimes it'll ask you to enter in the security code. Now in case it asks you for security code, what you want to do is you can simply head over to your main device, open up settings, and then you want to scroll down and then head into Google option. Under Google, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you are selected to the account that you want to verify it's you. Then you want to tap on manage your Google account. Now here you want to scroll to security. Under security, if you scroll down, you'll find option that says security code. Get a one-time code to verify that it's you. So you want to tap on it, enter in your phone security code, and you'll get the code that you can enter and verify that it's you. Now sometimes else it'll ask you to enter the number that has been sent to your default device. In that case, if you're trying to get access to your account on new device and it says verify it's you by entering the number, then you want to open up your main device and there see if the number provided, which is the number provided, and then select the particular number and verify. So this is the way that you can verify on Google. Hope this helped you. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.